Hey, how's it going, everyone? It's Abel here. In this video, I'm just basically going to go through how to actually navigate through the platform once it's fully downloaded, which you should have been able to do from the previous video. If you have any issues, just let me know. So this right here is called MetaTrader. It's MetaTrader 4. This is the platform that we actually use to take trades on. It's possible to analyze on it. I do analyze on this sometimes, some pairs. I do my major analysis off of tradingview.com just because it's way better, it's way smoother. You actually see the lines way better, and you guys just make better decisions. But like I said, this isn't a bad option either to analyze. I personally don't analyze on this one anymore. I used to when I first started, but I don't anymore. I just use this to simply place the trades and to monitor trades and stuff. But it's basically how you navigate through this. It has regular file, view, insert, charts, tools, windows, all these tabs. In the files tabs, this right here will open up a new chart. A new chart will be like with all the pairs that you could trade. To open up an account and link your broker account, you have to do it here. You have to click open an account. Then it'll pop up a window, and you'll be able to see a whole bunch of brokers in here once you start searching for them and stuff like that. I'll actually get to the brokers in the next video and show you how to actually link it up and stuff like that. Here it just shows like the toolbar and all the things that come with the platform. The market watch is where you get to see all the pairs that you could trade. Let me show all of them. These are all the pairs that you're actually able to trade on this platform, which are all just currency pairs. There is some commodities like oil, gas, some other ones too on different brokers that we have. Yeah, so that's the market watch. There's data window. You don't even really need that one. Navigator, terminal. Terminal is where you see your trades, all your trades. Check to see your account history, all of that. Get alerts if you set up alerts. None of these we don't need. Insert right here is very important. This is where you see any indicators. Indicators is stuff that you place on this platform to help you analyze the markets better. Like these two lines right here, these black and blue ones that you see, these are moving averages is what they're called. They are indicators to help you determine what price is doing and stuff like that. I'll actually get into all that into a different video also. But it is important. All these are indicators that you can have. All these ones come custom on the platform. When you come to the custom tab, actually once you download, there is a few in here. But the ones that we usually use and we go by, you actually have to download, which I'll give you guys. I'll send it in a folder for you guys, so you guys can have all the indicators that I use, and I'll actually send you guys my template that I use too. So once you upload these indicators to your platform, then you upload the template. It will all just sync up normally, and you'll be able to see your charts as to how I'm looking at mine right now. Because when you first upload your thing, it's not going to look like this at all. I'll actually show you how it looks in a second. But yeah, so this is all important. You want to know how to navigate through all this. This is just lines that you can put on things, your channels, Fibonacci tools, which is important also, your shapes, arrows, all this stuff. All this stuff for the most part is important. And like I was saying about custom ones like that the platform doesn't come with, this right here that tells you the pair, the time frame that we're on, the spread between brokers and spread for the broker, and then actually give you the price right here. All this is custom, where I'll actually have to give you the download to actually get this on your screen. This timer is custom, and certain things like this up here, the ADR, which is average daily range, is all custom. So all that stuff you actually have to download into your platform when I give you the files to download and stuff like that. So when you actually go to open up a new pair, it's going to look just like this one. You go on any of these pairs, you right click, and you click chart window, and they'll open up a brand new window with that currency pairs that you're going to trade. And it looks just like this. It's not going to look how I have it. And then eventually, once you set up your templates and stuff like that, you can right click on the screen, go to template, and then click on any template that you want. These are certain templates that I have. Like Bay is one of my favorite ones, that's why it's called Bay. This is the one that I actually use now, Savage, which is the one you guys were just looking at. And there's a whole bunch of different ones that I have that are just pretty dope. You know what I'm saying? That I use every day, and it helps me analyze stuff way better. So there's that, and let me see what else I can show you guys. All these, let me explain all these now. This right here, this is a bar chart. It's not a chart that we use. It's like charts that they used to use back in the day. Like a while back, nobody uses that anymore, basically. This is the bar. This is a candle chart that we use all the time. This is a chart that you're going to look at every single day when you play some trades. There's actually different kind of candle charts too. That it's just way more. It's way more to talk about, because it's not stuff for beginners right now. But there's this regular candle chart. There's wrinkled candles. There's Fibonacci candles. Like there's a whole bunch of different candles that you'll eventually get into once you start becoming more experienced with this trading thing. But for the most part, this is the chart that you're mixing on look at, so you can see the trades and stuff like that. This right here is a line chart, it's called, which is actually a very useful chart. I actually use this chart to place my support and resistance lines, which I'll get into in the next video. I'll get into that also, what those are and how to place it. But this is where I actually go to place my support and resistance lines. Okay, and so this is actually an important chart also. Then you have the zoom in, zoom out tools right here, just so you can see it closer or farther away. This right here just arranges the windows, like I said, put in the tile. See like that. I rarely use it. This right here is your scroll chart thing, where if it's clicked, it's called auto scroll. When it's clicked, you can go back in time, but it'll just automatically bring it back to where price is at, like as you see it. Like it's auto scroll, so auto scroll you right to where price is. If you unclick it, you can actually go back as far as the MetaTrader will let you, actually, just to see what price did back in the day. Basically, you go to the time frame and stuff like that. Alright, so this is auto scroll. It'll bring it right back to the front, and this is the shift button. This shift just shifts price over right here. That's what this little arrow thing is up here. You can just shift it to where you prefer it to be at. I don't really use that much. This right here is just another tab for your indicators that you can go to. Instead of just going to insert indicators, you can just go right to this button right here, and it's all the indicators right there. Like I said, you have all the ones that come with it, the custom ones that we put on them. Like actually, a lot of these are actually custom. This one's custom. Yeah, we download custom. Like most of these honestly are custom that I personally put on the platform itself. This right here is just your times, your periods. They call it these are your time frames. I call it. And you just click on that, and it'll switch to a different time frame, any time frame you want. And this right here is just for your templates. Pick any template you want. Right here is your time frames again, daily. And how these work is every single candle, when you're on a daily time frame, the D1 is daily. Every single candle is one day. It's one full day. For one candle is one full day. Alright, and like if you go to the 4-hour H4 is a 4-hour time frame. Every single candle is 4 hours long. Like 4 hours long, 4 hours long, 4 hours long. No matter what size, it's all 4 hours long as long as it's in the 4-hour time frame. When it's in the 1 hour, same thing. These are all 1 hour candles. Real time, they're all 1 hour. And then you have 5 minute, you have 1 minute candles. As you can see, look at price moving right now. It is market's just opened 5 hours ago, so yeah, that's what it's doing. 5 minutes, same exact concept. Alright, the cursor tool is just your cursor that we're looking at right now. Then you have crosshair, which you go to measure stuff. You go to this, put it to see what price is at. I actually use this tool a lot. I use it mainly just to like measure how big the move is, if certain move is and stuff like that. Then you have your vertical lines, you have your horizontal lines, which I was going to show you how to do in the next video, which go like that. And these are just honestly, these are imaginary lines that we see and other traders that place these also see, where we make trades based off these lines. Especially me, I make most of my trades are based off of these lines right here. See what how price reacts around these lines. That's how I base my trades off. And we'll get into that in another video. And then you got your trend lines, which is another important line. This and the horizontal lines are very important lines. This trend line right here just goes like this. It's the line that tells you the direction of the trend, whether it's an uptrend or whether the price is going downtrend. You do this like that, and it's just there to give you a basis to help you determine where you think price might go. It's just another way of technical analysis, which is how I trade. I'm a technical trader. The way I feel is the best way is technicals. There's two ways of trading. There's fundamentals, which is like all news and like major economic events, or even like just major events in general, like a tsunami or stuff like that. That's all fundamentals that moves the market. Me, like I said, I'm a technical trader, so I use these and a lot of other technical tools. This is just a circle tool. This right here, Fibonacci retracement tool. I'll get into that whole nother video also. It's another very important tool we use for technical analysis. We got the Fib expansion tool also. It's another tool that we use, very important for technical analysis. Then you have all these. You have arrows. All this stuff right here you really don't need. You don't really look at this. This right here, terminal. This button brings up, like I said, where all your orders would be at and stuff like that. Right here, you create a new order, place a trade with that button right there. Auto trading button, that's only if you have like an auto trader hooked up, or if you have like what's it called? You have EAs, which is an expert advisor, which basically it's like an auto trader. It'll place trades based on settings that you set up for it to do. But we don't really need that button. That doesn't really do nothing. This tab right here, this is all price. This is all price on this axis. This axis down here is obviously the date, the time, and stuff like that. And then this RSI thing, this is an indicator. It's called. Don't really need to know about that right now. I'll tell you about that in another video. But this right here is just another form of technical analysis. Also, it's just another form to confirm things. Yeah, so that's basically it for this video. That's just basically showing you guys how to work this thing. Like I said, it's really not hard. It's simple. It might look a little difficult right now just because you've probably never seen this before, but it's really not that hard. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video.